Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3 third sum. Let's see the question. In an AP, in that 6 subdivision given A is equal to 2, D equal to 8, Sn equal to 90 and we need to find N and An. Here A is given, D is given and Sn is given. We know the formula for Sn. So if anything is given in the formula, just substitute it. Sn equal to 90. We know the formula of Sn, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 90. Now we don't know n but we know a and d. Substitute the value of a and d. Before that I am going to take this number to this side. It is in multiply, it's in common multiply. So if I want to take to this side, it comes, it is in divide. If I want to take to this side, it comes as a multiply. So n I don't know. Here 2 into a is 2 plus n we don't know, d is 8 equal to 90 into 2. Now solve this. N 2 2s are 4 plus 8n minus 8 equal to 180. Now if you solve this, it becomes n into 8n minus 4 is equal to 180. Multiply this, 8n square minus 4n, bring 180 to this side, it comes as minus 180 equal to 0. This is divisible by 2, so I am just dividing with 2. It goes in 4 also, so directly I am going to divide this by 4 because I want a smaller equation. If you have a smaller equation for solving, it will be easy. If you have anything equal to this side and this side, you can multiply or divide by any number you want. The equation does not change if you multiply or divide. If I divide it with 4, it becomes 2n square minus n minus 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. Now multiply this to 90. If I want to solve, I need to get minus 1. So minus 90. By solving, we need to get minus 1 means 3 30s are. Now again 9 10s are. So 9 10s are minus sign plus. So if you multiply, minus into plus will become minus 90 and for there are different in signs, so we need to subtract. If I subtract, I get minus 1. Just write the number inside. It becomes 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. So if I take common, I can take 2n common outside. So it becomes n minus 5. Write the n minus 5 first. My outside number will be 9. So same bracket once and the outside in another bracket. Put equal to 0. If I put equal to 0, I get n is equal to 9, n equal to minus 9 by 2. Now we have 9 n and n value as 5 and minus 9 by 2. N value cannot be in a negative and cannot be in fractions, so I can't take n in negative. So this I am inadmissible. So I need to leave this. I can take n to be 9. So they ask for n, my n will be equal to 9. Now I need to take an. An formula is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the values of n. A5 equal to a value is 2 plus 5 minus 2 is 4 into 8, which is 2 plus 32, that is 34. So A5 equal to 34 is the final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.